In this video, I'm going to show you how to color boxes in Lucidchart quickly and easily so you can make your diagrams look cleaner, more organized, and much more professional. Whether you're building a flowchart, a process map, a mind map, or any other kind of visual, changing box colors is one of the simplest ways to improve readability and highlight important steps. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your Lucidchart document and find the box or shape you want to recolor. To begin, click once directly on the shape. When it is selected, you'll see a blue bounding box with small handles around it. That tells you Lucidchart knows exactly which object you want to edit. This first step is important because if nothing is selected, the color tools won't apply to the right box. Now look at the top formatting toolbar. This is where Lucidchart keeps the most common design tools. Find the fill color option. It usually looks like a paint bucket icon or a colored square. Click that icon to open the color menu. This menu gives you a variety of ways to style your box, depending on the look you want. Inside the Fill Color menu, you'll see different color choices. You can choose from preset colors, gradient options, or theme colors if your diagram is following a specific design style. If you want a quick change, just click one of the visible colors and Lucidchart will apply it to the selected box right away. This is the fastest way to give your diagram a new look. If you need a very specific color, Lucidchart also lets you use custom values. At the bottom of the color window, click the plus icon to enter a custom shade. From there, you can type in hex, HSB, or ArgB values. This is especially useful if you need to match a brand color, keep your diagram consistent with company guidelines, or use the same exact shade across multiple boxes. If you want to change the outline of the box as well, you can do that too. Right next to the Fill Color tool, look for the Line Color option, which usually appears as a pencil icon. Click it, then choose the border color you want. This lets you separate the fill and the outline so your boxes stand out more clearly. For example, you might use a light fill with a darker border, or match the outline to the fill for a softer look. Now here's a really helpful tip if you want to color more than one box at the same time. Hold down the Shift key and click on each box you want to include. Once they're all selected, apply your fill color just like before. Lucidchart will update all of the selected shapes together, which can save you a huge amount of time when you're formatting large diagrams. If you're working on a flowchart with several similar steps, this is one of the best ways to keep everything visually consistent. As you color your boxes, try to use color intentionally. For example, you can use one color for decisions, another for actions, and another for endpoints. This makes your diagram easier to understand at a glance. Clear color coding can help viewers follow the structure of your chart much faster, especially in complex documents. So to recap, the process is simple. Select the box, open Fill Color, choose a preset or custom shade. Optionally adjust the line color and use Shift to recolor multiple boxes at once. Once you get used to it, coloring shapes in Lucidchart becomes a very quick part of your workflow. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Lucidchart tutorials and other easy software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.